If you want to collaborate more clearly in Microsoft Word, comments are one of the easiest tools to use. In this video, I'll show you how to add comments in a Word document step by step, so you can leave feedback, ask questions, or make revision notes without changing the actual text. This is super helpful for editing, school projects, team documents, or any file where multiple people need to review the content. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word and load the document you want to work on. Once your document is open, go to the section you want to review and select the text you want to comment on. You can highlight a word, a sentence, or even a full paragraph depending on what you want to point out. After selecting the text, look at the top menu and click the Review tab. The Review tab is where Word keeps all the tools for editing, proofreading, and collaboration. Now, inside the review section, click New Comment. As soon as you do that, Word will open a comment box on the side of the document. This is where you can type your feedback, leave a note, or ask someone to make a change. For example, you might write something like, "Please reword this sentence," or "Can we add a source here?" Once you finish typing your comment, simply click away from the box and the comment will be saved automatically. If you want to add another comment, just repeat the same process. Select the text, go to Review, and click New Comment again. You can keep adding as many comments as you need throughout the document. This is a very simple but powerful feature because it keeps your feedback organized and easy to follow. It also helps avoid confusion since your notes stay connected to the exact part of the document you're talking about. And if you're working with a team, comments make it much easier to review changes without overwriting the original content. So to quickly recap, open Word, select the text you want to review, go to the Review tab, and click New Comment. That's all it takes to add a comment in a Word document. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.